Joins in SQL refer to the process of combining data from two or more tables based on a related column between them. By using joins, you can retrieve data from multiple tables and create a single result set that includes data from both tables. There are several types of joins in SQL, including inner join, left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. Each type of join has its own specific syntax and use case. Inner join, also known as equi-join, returns only the matched rows from both tables. Left outer join returns all the rows from the left table and only the matched rows from the right table. Right outer join, on the other hand, returns all the rows from the right table and only the matched rows from the left table. Full outer join returns all the rows from both tables. Joins can be a powerful tool for retrieving data from multiple tables, but they can also be complex to work with. It is important to have a good understanding of how joins work and how to use them effectively to avoid performance issues and data inaccuracies. Here you can see that TBL person have department ID, which we can use to relate it to TBL department. I will join TBL employee and TBL department using this department ID and fetch the below result set. In this result, C, name, gender and salary column are from TBL employee and department name is from TBL department. Let's do it using inner join. For that, select name, gender, salary from TBL employee, and to get department name we have to inner join TBL department in our query using a common column, which is department ID here. Press F5 or hit execute. Here you can see we get 8 records out of 10 because rest of the 2 records have null department ID, which is not there in TBL department. You can write inner join or just join to implement it. So, it is proved that inner join only return matching records from both tables. What if I want to fetch matching records as well as eliminated records? In other words, I want to fetch all records from left table. How do we do that? The answer is left join or left outer join. To do that, just replace inner keyword with left or left outer keywords. Press F5 or hit execute. Here we are getting all 10 records from TBL employee. Similarly, what if I want to fetch only matching records from left table but all records from right table? The answer is right join. To do that, just replace the left keyword with right keyword or right outer keywords. If you notice, we do not have any record in TBL employee which have records belong to other department in TBL department. In other words, other department in TBL department does not have matching records in TBL employee. Press F5 or hit execute. Here you can see only matching records from TBL employee but all records from TBL department. Therefore, you can see the columns belong to TBL employee are null. What if I want to fetch all matching as well as unmatching records from both tables? The answer is full join. To do that, just replace right keyword with full keyword or full outer keywords. Here you can see all 8 matching records from both table, 2 unmatching records from left table and 1 unmatching record from right table. What if I want to get all possible combination of records of both tables? The answer is cross-join. Cross-join returns the Cartesian product of all rows from left table and right table. There are 10 records in TBL employee and 4 records in TBL department. So we will get 40 records when we use cross-join with these tables.